All right, what's up guys? So real quick video, valve cover gasket here. I had to adjust my valves in the old trusty Integra. And I got to put the valve cover back on, and I don't want to get a new gasket. This gasket's only got a couple hundred, maybe 1,000, 2,000 miles. Anyway, I thought I'd share a trick. So if you're putting on a gasket, and you can see I'm kind of chasing this gasket around. And it can get to be a pain. Because you'll get it in one spot and then it'll jump out of another. So it gets pretty aggravating chasing it around like this all the time. So I just thought I would share a way that you can kind of stop that from happening. What you can do, where did I put it? Is get some Vaseline, petroleum jelly. And take some of that. So petroleum jelly ain't gonna hurt anything. Where you're typically putting gaskets, especially in this situation, you're not gonna hurt anything. So take some Vaseline and just spread it around that groove. And again, this is nothing earth-shattering. I'm sure most people here watching this, well, if you're watching it, you may not have known this. If you are watching it and you already know it, well, thanks for watching anyway. But so I just take some Vaseline and get it in the groove where that gasket's going to go. Kind of in the corners where it needs to stick. This is overkill, but it'll work. Alright, so then you take that. So then you take your gasket, you start laying it in there. And usually that Vaseline will help keep it in those grooves enough not to make you want to cuss at random inanimate objects. Use foul languages. See? Boom. Gasket's in there. It's not trying to run away from me. If you like this video, you know the whole thing. Like, share, subscribe, all that. And if you don't, I mean, that's cool too. But, yeah. Either way, thanks for watching.